Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2020 Honda Civic. Now on this Honda Civic we are going to go over the procedure in which you go to be able to replace this handle. Say the handle itself broke off, or maybe even the locking mechanism broke and you need to replace it. First you would remove your inner door panel. So to start with, you need to pump this little controller up and deliver this little piece here. Controls your window door switches. And if you unhook the electric here, and then there's one screw down here that we can do. So we work that up and out. There's the little connections here. The tab, you got to press it in. You have to get the electric connectors, something like that. And we've got that connection undone. And so now we have that out of the way. Then we have one Phillips screw right here. We remove that one Phillips screw that's in there, that side. And now we take our big plastic tool. We'll be able to get your way around here. What we do is we go around and we make sure all of the little push pins that are holding this to it. Now up here we have this, it's connected into that little plate. And then once you've been able to clear those out of there and all those push clips, we're now able to remove our inner door cover. And once that inner door panel is removed, we gain access to the two screws that we need to remove to be able to get this unit to come away from the vehicle. And then we will unhook the cables that go to there. So they're just a P2 Phillips. And so with those screws removed, now this comes away, and we need to, there are two tabs in between here that we need to squeeze so that we can get this little cover to open up to be able to get this cable, the top one and the bottom one, out. Okay, so the top one. Now you'll be able to just pop this out. And you'll know the difference when you're putting them in, because the top one has a round ball, and so that will only fit in there, and then this one is like a little cylindrical piece. So we do the same on this one. And that is how you would remove your the door handle or the release lever on the inside of the vehicle. And so then when you have your new one, you just go in the reverse order to be able to put it back in. Want to make sure you start the cable, and like I said, the round one cylindrical will go down there in the bottom one. Line it in that little tab, close this connector. Same thing with this one. We're gonna get the ball side in there, clip that in there, close that tab, and then be able to get this back in the location and tighten the two screws. Then hold that into place. And so that's your handle has been put back on, tightened into place, everything functions. And then you would just go ahead and put your inner door panel back on if that's the only thing you're replacing inside the door. Now that we've done that, we're all good there. And we can make sure that we get our wires put up through here. And then we can just bring this on, put on the top, put on the tabs, snap it into place, work our way around. installs our inner door panel. We put the one Phillips screwdriver, one Phillips screw right there, and tighten that into place. And our last thing would be to take our window door switch unit and install that, hooking up the electric lines. And then being able to work this clamp together and it all snaps into place. And that is the install as the inner door cover and window door switches. They're all been installed on your 2020 Honda Civic. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.